All right, so we need five. Okay, four more people. One more people, and we'll start. uh, three, three more, and we'll start.
Did you happen to go over your USD?
Yeah, I think we did. I think it was bearish movement. Yeah, bearish movement.
Oh no.
Oh no, what? You're on the buy.
Yeah, I'm in the buy.
Yeah. Mm, yeah. This is why this box. I hate this box. I won't
Hold it.
trade reversals on this box. But see how it did this now? Like it's just yeah, yeah, not good. So possibly come if anything worst case scenario here and then keep dropping. But okay, so we got nine people here. All right, two more and we'll start. Uh, yeah, USD Japan, man, destroying accounts. Literally, literally.
Still rising?
What was that, bro?
Are they still rising?
Um, it's holding the level right now, but I wouldn't count on it. I'm not touching this pair at all.
Looks like a perfect M to me.
You think so? I mean, it kind of looked when we this looked like a perfect M too.
Hey,
Where was it? Yeah, this one. On hindsight, they repeated the level three vectors. Actually, this was a pretty good reversal, by the way, because it was. Darn. Wait, let's look at my other template. Okay, this one. This actually was pretty good, actually. If you would have taken it, to be honest, because remember, oh wow, because remember, multi sessions, M's and W's are stronger. So, right, same thing applies here. Your high was here, bam, took it. One, two, three, right? Get out here. But yeah, so anyways, the bigger picture is an uptrend. Okay. But yeah. Okay, so this is what it's doing now. If this is a sell, it will be because of the midweek reversal. But I wouldn't count on it. If they come here though for London and then another 10, I may consider a sell. But for now, I'm not touching this because
The water is right.
uh-huh,
Yeah, the water is right below it.
exactly. Price is still trading above the water. All right, so that's a tip giving you math. This trend is still going. The intraday trend is still going. And your Mayo's following. All right. I think someone had wanted a short UJ last night. I think it was Lydia. I think you're in here, Lydia. You were looking at a short on UJ. I was like, yeah. I was like, I was like, nah. Okay, yeah. I think we're right here. Okay, okay. Let's look at this now. Hmm. Okay, let's zoom in real quick, and we'll go over the other questions my students had. Okay, so this we're trying to short this. Does this look like a good short to anyone? Okay, good, good. Hey, profit is profit. Take profit, water, right? But yeah, okay. They saw M here, but as you can see, this was the bigger picture. These railroad tracks on the water was the bigger picture. Even
Hey, can
though,
you do you mind explaining the railroad tracks real fast? Because I'm trying to. So what does
oh,
that mean when that happens, and what formation is it when it happens?
um, well, there's plenty of formations actually. Okay, so they can do an M, right? And they can, I don't know if I have pictures, but okay, they can.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. So this is on the uptrend. Okay, M. This is your second leg. This is what I'm showing now. Okay, so a green
Yes.
full bar. Okay, kind of like this. Okay, green full bar. Oh, sorry, it's ugly. Okay, and then immediately they get the hell out of there. They grab the money. This is what this candle is for. Grab the money quickly and get the hell out with railroad tracks. So they doesn't it look like railroad tracks? Like if you do connect the lines like that, that's what they call them, railroad tracks. But
Okay. I see.
they
That's everybody cashing out basically.
pretty much. So now they did railroad tracks, got the hell out of this area, and closed.
Oh, then that shows. Okay.
Okay, so this is on the reversal. On the moving averages, though, it also works. You see how they got in, grabbed the money, and pin here. This pin here is for those guys that take the sales on the moving averages on the bounces. Right?
Mhm.
So next thing they did, they got the hell out of there with the railroad track, and then price started to slowly rise, slowly rise.
Got you.
Okay, this is useless, right? Even though the box was here, okay, these boxes are useless if you're not in the correct cycle in the market cycle. So here, possibly you would have seen, oh man, pins, shadow box, extended stop hunt. If you would have used that, this is like what, like 25 pips, I think 50, but like what, like nah, like 25. Oh, this looks like a good short. No, you're wrong. Why? Because you know where you are in the cycle. All right. If you look at the bigger picture, let's see.
Got you. Look at the bigger picture on it.
If you look at okay. If you look at the bigger picture, this is all chop. 1,
Mhm.
2, and possibly stop on low rise. 3, complete the
Got you.
cycle. Yeah.
The ketchup and the mustard is crossing. Gotcha. Then that means up. Okay.
You see how, and the water is following. So this is what I'm expecting for you, Jay. Unless they want to do a midweek reversal. If they do that, scratch this out. But if they don't, you expect another level 3. So you see how the levels are evenly done
Mhm.
here, like consolidation, up, consolidation.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the bigger picture. All right. So you're like, okay, so when I tell you, what to look for in the trade, you're like, okay, so where am I in the cycle? Am I at level 1, level 2, in the overall trend, not intraday? Intraday is different, okay, guys? For those that are new here, don't get them confused. Intraday and overall, I'd say overall, like to me, this is overall. The 4-hour chart is overall trend.
Mhm.
Okay, don't get those two confused. All right, there's intraday levels, and then there's these levels, which for those who swing trade, if you would have got in here, you can use your level counts. Okay, so I'm at 1 birdie, good. I can still hold. Okay, birdie going to level 2, awesome. I can still hold for one more push. If they midweek reverse, I look for my exits. Okay, so yeah, that's what I mean. So
Gotcha. Appreciate you.
yeah, no problem, no problem. Okay. Okay, someone asked me about AUD cash. Let's see. Someone got me a message. Railroad means, yeah, pretty much, bro. Okay, AUD CAD. Okay, we'll look at AUD CAD, and we'll get to your questions, Scotty. Okay, I still haven't forgot about you, buddy. I got you, bro. AUD CAD. AUD CAD. So. AUD CAD. Anchor point. Where is anchor? Darn, this is a very hard one, but I'll tell you what I see. On the 15-minute, I see this. Well, it's too late now, but obviously this was a level 3. 1, 2, 3 intraday, right? And then look at this. Let me see. When was today is hold on, give me a second, guys. When was Monday? Friday, sorry. Friday was the 26th. Let's look at the 26th.
Sorry, I'm back. Had to go. Oh no, I'm back now.
Oh, hey, bro. No, you're fine, man. You're fine. You didn't miss much, but yeah, okay. Okay, so Friday, right? I think this is Friday. Wait, let's see. Tuesday. We're on Tuesday. Getting confused here. Hold on, guys.
Yeah, 26 is Friday.
So this was a Friday, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. So the anchor point for this one. Okay, so here, this one is a little different because this is a cross pair. This would have nothing to do with USD. So this is what I see. Okay, for the person who asked me. Okay. Okay, so obviously price dropped, right? 1, 2. Well, you can count this one as 3, but or 2, whatever. Okay. So false move, and then Sunday was 29. No, 28. Okay. Okay. All right. Bingo. So they completed the pattern here. This was your anchor point. False move week beginning. Price has already dropped 3 levels intraday. This is your anchor point for the person that asked me right here. Why? In hindsight, you would have seen this. You're already about, I don't know how many pips, like 50 from this area. So this would have been your anchor point for swinging. However, CAD, if you're looking at this pair, you're trading against the CAD pair, and CAD relates to oil. If you look at oil, oil has been, what was it? Hasn't been dropping or falling. I haven't even looked at UCAD because it hasn't been behaving. Let's look at it. It's been dropping. Okay. So how does this relate though? It relates because the pair you're trading against has, I'd say, just like example, USD dollar is strong, yen this week, like that. So when that happens, you can expect, the dollar to keep rising. How do I know? Because you can also look at the DXI. That's also tradable on some brokers. But yeah, that's my point. So it's trading against CAD, and pretty much this was your anchor point. But see how price halted here because of the CAD pair. And look what it did. It dropped again to this area. However, though, see where it didn't come near this area though, right? But I would stay away from this pair only because it has a CAD in it, and CAD relates with oil, like I said. So with that being said, this can reverse at any moment again. we were expecting what, 1 to 2 days of rise, 2.5, maybe 2.5, 2.5 to 3 days, right? Typical market cycle week. But they issued this level 3 behavior apparently, and look what they did. They dropped. And then now they're rising again. And it looks like they're dropping again because of the pins to this area before. Let me get something. The pins to this area already. Looks like they don't want to break this area. Okay? So for me, the anchor point is not bad here. I would not look for an anchor point on this one. If you're gonna look for an anchor point, look for another pair here. This pair is ranging. So I will just look for this, like kind of like that zigzag thing, right? So sell at this area, buy at this area, like that, because this pair is ranging. Ranging, I mean by it's like an up down level 3 behavior type of thing. All right, that's what I mean. If you look at the 4 hour,
Illuminati.
you look at the 4 hours, it's kind of interesting. It's holding the level. The blueberry is right there, so kind of concerning. I wouldn't touch this pair for the person that asked me that question, okay? So I hope I answered your question. All right. So let's see. Is Scotty in here? Scotty, hey Scotty. Write me. Write me. What was the question, bro? What was the question you had?
Earlier about the like what's the order? What's the best order to like look at the charts, like to get the structure?
Gotcha. A very common question, brother. No problem, man. Got that answer question. Okay, Scotty. So pretty much, what's the best chart to look for? Are you talking about to maybe swing trade, or are you talking about just look for a trade and profit? Like,
Yeah, just to like look and like learn the levels, so I could like start recognizing them.
Okay, I understand. All right, let's look at my other. All right, so for levels, okay, it is well, I don't know, video 3, but okay, so levels. This is one confirmation you can start using that you are getting into level 3. Okay. Intraday though, not long term. Long term is different. Okay. For like for the 4 hours. What I mean by this, intraday. Well, this is not intraday. Like what I mean is that like all of this is not intraday, but I mean like this is an intraday reversal possibly, which can drop back into the range. However, long term is different, okay? But for my 15-minute chart traders, which are most of us, including me, we are possibly expecting a reversal soon. So this is one confirmation. When your moving averages start to fan out like this, and the wider they get, you are getting closer and closer to level 3. However, they don't always do this though. Not always. Okay. But this is a good confirmation. So that's 1. 2, just count them manually. Okay. Count them like this. Just look at that hour. I don't recommend the 30 hour and 4 hour, but hour. Okay. Get some of this off. Okay, the hourly chart. Now you see this. Ignore this. Okay, this is different. Okay, so this was your anchor point for the week.
Yeah.
All right, right. Okay, so we are expecting 3 days, 3 levels of rise, or 2.5 days. And since they anchored in on a Friday, we may expect this to reverse However, like I stated, CAD has not been behaving
Even.
because of oil, right? So there's a little fundamentals behind the oil why it's doing that, but it's not really what I teach. But I guess for your information, oil, that from what I've seen, has a lot of impact on fundamentals. If you trade oil, okay, if you know a little about fundamentals, you can use oil for that. I really don't specify on that, but you know, if you know about fundamentals, even better, help you out with that commodity. But well, not my pairs, but for every pair, gold,
Mhm.
cash, so on and so forth, they all follow the market. They all follow every pair follows the market maker method. However, like for oil, the fundamentals do kind of have an effect with it. Okay,
Yeah.
mostly all pairs do, but they mostly all follow what I teach. Okay,
Mhm.
levels. Okay, if you're not seeing the levels clearly on the hour, you're like, man, like I don't know. I don't see them. Look at the 4 hour. Cool. You see how now you're like, oh, okay, so they anchored in on a Friday. So you're like, wow, okay, so one like this. You're like, oh, two, oh, nice. So from what Kashiz taught me, this can possibly be a stop on low rise and go to three.
Mhm.
This is how you start projecting and anticipating. However, it is midweek reversal. It's about to be Wednesday. So, like I said, most of the time all pairs reverse. Not all, but there is a high possibility of them reversing on a Wednesday. They can do a half a Batman, which is like this. Price does this and then kind of does like a Batman type of way, and then it starts dropping slowly, slowly. And they can do an inverted on the reversal. I've seen it happen. Euro USD did it once. All right, so it can. I don't know how to draw it the other way, but price can go here and then do this, and then slowly start going like that. This will be your peak formation low,
That's dope.
your peak formation high. Okay,
Yeah.
but yeah, so watch out for that midweek reversal if it does that. However, I would like for me, for a midweek reversal to happen, I would like it to be a multi-session M or W. That's where I would possibly start. Okay,
Yeah,
this
because
this
those
is
are the most powerful, right?
yeah, exactly. You know, okay, man. I got my HOD here. I got my M3 pivot, midweek reversal, multi-session M. Price has been rising 2.5 to 3 days. I got them. I got them. And for my swing traders, this on a Wednesday, you can look for your exit on Friday, New York. Okay. So 2.5, what was it? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, like 2.5 days of rise or fall. All right. And if you use your pivots, if this lays in just right, if it's at an M3 or M4, you're looking for M4, M2 day, M3, M1 day. All right. So yeah. So you count this, you can count this as level 3 chop, all right, on the 4 hour, 1 and 2 and so on and so forth, bro.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Let's look at another pair so you can get it. Oh yeah, we already talked about UJ. Let's look at a gold. Okay. Let's see if I can break the levels on gold. Okay. Obviously the hour's not looking good either. Look at the 4 hour. All right, bingo. I see this. One. This is to me. This is like my level 3 actually. So I see this as one
Mhm.
longer time frame. Though, okay, long time frame.
And just like break it down every time. Yeah.
pretty much, yeah. And then you see how 2 possibly going to 3 and reverse possibly gold. Okay, gold. This is gold. But, patterns, right? The patterns play the same. Once you watch, if you watch all my videos, you can end the recordings. I talk about that. You can see the patterns in the larger time frame. So 1, 2, 3. We expect what? Reversal, right? Yep, right. And then like this, and then it broke. Your moving averages are crossing, giving you a continuation of the trend. Here, same thing, guys. Pattern plays in the larger time frame. Plays in the larger time frames too. So right, so you can count this as 1, 2, 3. What do we expect? Reversal, right? Okay, with this, held the level here, came here, so on and so forth, so on and so forth. Gold it has the patterns as well.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay, UJ. Interesting.
He was talking about AUD NZD earlier. Can you go over that? Cause I came in like halfway.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, so I was saying that AUD NZD has has a little more to go. This is a very strong reversal area here. Okay. However, the bigger pattern, I was telling Shorty, this is a big fat M. You see that? And your moving averages crossed, right? Giving you confirmation of the trend, right? Okay. And price has been trading below your water, which is, I think, your daily, this is your daily, weekly, and monthly, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, on the 4-hour. Okay, so price has been doing this. This is an area to watch for, though, like for a reversal. Okay, here, right here.
It can possibly break through though, right? Because
yes, of course,
it just recently crossed, right? So wouldn't that mean like you just said, strong reversal?
Possibly
strong downtrend. I mean, sorry.
Strong continuation. Correct. Yes, but that is a area to look for. However, you see it, the bigger picture. It's kind of crazy, but and then they drop. Like people count levels differently, but possibly this may keep dropping. By the way, if anything, if it breaks this area.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, you see it.
It might reverse, but still break in the future.
Yep. MAAW. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah. So crazy. This is, see how this was an M with the downtrend?
Yep.
So, yeah. Let's see. Questions. I am.
Thank you.
Better. Yeah, Danny. I expect maybe another 30, 40 pips of drop. Okay. You might get lucky though. But before we end the webinar also, okay, so if you've seen the bigger picture on the downtrend, you would have taken this, by the way. 1, 2, 3, possibly a little reversal around here, back to the Mayo, and then keep dropping, right? Okay, guys, very important. I don't know if you guys have done it, or I don't think I have talked about it. I didn't even go over them in the videos, but I don't want you to hold trades, not over the weekend. I'm talking about as of then, just a regular trade. Example. Example. Okay. If you would have taken this, let's just say you took this, and in 2 hours, 2 hours. That's my rule. Okay. You don't have to follow it, but that's how I reduce drawdown and always profit. Okay. That is my rule of thumb. Okay. So if in 2 hours, if you see this, man, you know, I got it today. However, if in 2 hours you're not in substantial profit, or you're in a small loss in 2 hours after such you confirm everything and you have everything ready, scratch yourself out. I don't care if you're up 5 pips only or you're -3. Just scratch yourself out. Why, you may ask? Because the market maker may have another purpose. And either he may just hold the level or he may just do an extended stop hunt or so on and so forth, right? We know their moves. Extended stop hunts, hold the level, right? Those are their moves. I want you to get out. So for those that are holding trades for like 2 days, hoping it's going to go your way, stop doing that. Please, please. As your teacher, as your mentor, as your guide, please do not do that. If you're in a loss in 2 hours and you see no profit, just get out, man. Even if you say, oh, it should go up because of this. Okay, there is some exceptions, though, okay? There is some exceptions. If you know, let's see. If you know for certain that you caught it correctly, and maybe it was a late entry, okay? That's an exception. That's one exception. If you had if you took a W and you bought here instead of here and then it drops back down and you're negative, but they repeat the level, right? Keep in mind, repeat the level, always your stop loss here no matter what, okay? Even though it is going to be a bigger drawdown from here. But okay, your stop loss here, if they repeat the level here and don't take it out, restart your clock. Restart it. What I mean by that is give it another 30 to 90 minutes, 2 hours max. All right. So this is for reversals. All right. Straightaways are different. I'll talk about that right now. Okay. For reversals, your entry was horrible. Okay. They repeat the level here. Give it another 30 to 90 minutes. If they don't repeat the level, though, which they won't always, and if you're just sitting here and price is just chilling like right here, get out in 2 hours. If they're doing this and in 2 hours they still don't move, get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. All right. Take your small loss, small profit. All right. For straightaways, right? Fake M's and fake W's out of level 1, level 2. Okay. If you're not, this is level 2. All right. If you take this as a straightaway, this is a fake M. However, if you bought, right, and you know you're in level 2 intraday, and price just does this, and your time limit has reached, get out. Get out. Just get out to be safe. Okay. Like I said, CAD, I don't know, oil, the Arabs, they might have an explosion. CAD might go crazy and drop to hell like that. That's why we avoid this. Okay. So yeah. Yeah.
That was type racist.
Yeah, just an example, okay? I just want you to get out. Don't hold your trades for more than 2 hours, especially if you're in negative. Except like I said, here's, oh, wow, this is so ugly, but except and if they repeat the level on the on the reversal, all right, that's an exception for me. Restart your clock, your 2 hours, okay? But if you're in drawdown and you sold here instead of buy, and you know where you are in the cycle and 2 hours have passed, why are you still holding, right? You know this is gonna happen. This is gonna happen. Why are you holding? Avoid the pips lost. Get out in 2 hours. You will avoid 100 pip drawdown. Okay, same for the downside. You will avoid this. So 2 hours limit. That's my limit, guys. Okay, you can shorten it but I wouldn't increase this. I would just keep the 2 hours. All right. So shorty, now that you know, 2 hours, my bro. All right. So if you're in negative and in 2 hours you see no profit, get out, bro. Except, like I said, these are my exceptions. All right. Cool. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna, no homework today. There's no homework, guys. Also, the markets are a little, if you can notice, not moving as much. So if you don't want to trade, just stay away, okay? Maybe London will be a good opportunity to trade, all right? So stay away from Asian session for now. London, possible movement, okay? And no homework, so be glad. I'm not giving you homework. Yeah, I might have some on Wednesday, but I'll think about it. But yeah, guys, did anyone have any questions? I got 2 minutes left on the webinar.
No, I'm good. I appreciate everything.
Yeah, all right, cool. Everybody good?
Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate for the webinar again.
Sure, no problem. Scotty Pippen raised his hand. What do you need, brother? Okay, I guess he's good too. Okay, well, guys, thank you for joining the webinar. For those who missed it, I'm gonna post it. I'll give it to Stephen. Everybody, that's it. Thanks again for no problem, Danny. Have a good night, everybody. Have a good Tuesday. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, guys. Love you all.
Have a good night, brother.